Jo soc la Piri, la companya del Richard. M'han enredat aquí a ajudar a mig muntar el quadre aquest i per mi és una cosa molt diferent. Jo també treballo amb art, però no és el mateix, no? Jo faig joies i bé, això és molt interessant perquè a més no estava molt acostumada a veure aquest tipus d'art en pintura. Vaig estar ajudant l'altre dia, per la tarda, i estàvem aquí distrets, vam sentir uns sorolls com una traca i pensàvem, em sembla que estiguin de festa al carrer. I al cap d'un rato hi havia ambulàncies, policies i es veu que hi va haver un assassinat al mig del carrer. Nosaltres continuàvem aquí amb el quadre, però ens sentíem com si estéssim dins d'una pel·lícula, d'una típica pel·lícula americana.
What I wanted to talk about with the painting, especially when you're painting a portrait, it's quite. I feel very ambivalent about the connection between the art and what has to be in the painting in terms of when I paint these people. They have to look like the people. They have to stay fairly true, but yet I need to find a great unknown. Because something you can't touch that makes the painting a little bit better than good. There's a great difference between painting for myself and doing a commissioned portrait such as this. I need to put a lot of the same elements into the painting that I would put into my own paintings. I need to give it the same tender, loving care. However, I need to be very true to the subject matter, the people I'm painting. They have to look like who they are, especially in this type of technique. In the case of this painting, I used the drawing from Paula, the little girl. The drawings of her family, and this is Paula right here in the painting. You can see that. This is the father right here, and this is Carlota, girl right here on the arm of the mother, and I was able to use this, and so it's not really a portrait of two people, it's really a portrait of the whole family of the four of them, just doubled over with the two of them on that. And to continue with the secondary composition, I used the bathtub, and water makes for a very good texture, just using the standard plugin from Photoshop. I was able to arrive at this. Me gusta espacio, está mirando obras de Francis Bacon, por ejemplo. Él siempre le gusta poner su sujeto directamente en el centro del cuadro, dando un montón de espacio por todas las partes, los alrededores. Estoy bastante satisfecho con esta obra. Hombre, tengo que estar satisfecho. Sí, no voy a dejarlo para salir, si no me gusta mucho.
¿Y qué harás con la pasta?
Pasta es lo más importante.